Welcome to fast online tutorials for graphs and the dashboard. This tutorial will give you a quick review of setting up the data, and then we'll show you how to create basic bar graphs, line graphs, and pie charts. Go to the reporting page and run the report. To create the graph, you need a numeric column. I happen to know there are no numeric columns in this report, but I can make one of the columns numeric, and to do that, I am going to open the advanced options. We recommend you use no more than 3 or 4 columns for the graph, and I am going to use 3. To make the column numeric, I am going to count by the employee number column. Run the report again with these options selected. As you can see, the employee column is now numeric, counted by class and gender. To create the graph, you need to select an x-axis and a y-axis. You can click the Graph tab and select them from there, but you can also select them from the Custom Columns menu. Click the heading title to open the menu. I am going to use the class column as the x-axis. The horizontal double-headed arrow shows that the column is being used as the x-axis. And for the y-axis, I am using the employee number, which I made into a numeric column. And the vertical double-headed arrow displays for the y-axis column. And when I click the Graph tab, the graph is automatically created. The normal bar chart displays because it is the default graph type. The x and y-axis were selected from the Graph tab, so they are automatically selected and are also used as the titles. If you want a different view of the data, select the side-by-side graph option. And then select the group value. Please note that for the group value, you cannot use the columns you previously used as the x and y axis. After clicking the Create Graph button, you get a different looking chart. You also have the option to create a stacked bar chart. Or if you prefer, you can create a line chart. And you can also create a stacked line chart. You also need to select a group value to create the stacked line chart. Another option for basic graphs is the pie chart. Please note there is only the one option for the pie charts. And before I forget, you can also add a title for the graph.